To call it a day. Option B. Stop working for the day. For example, the workers were tired, so they called it a day. A sacred cow. Option D. Something that cannot be criticized. For example, education is a sacred cow that nobody dares to question. A dog's breakfast. Option A complete mess. For example, the room looked like a dog's breakfast after the party. To be in a quandary. Option B. To be in doubt or confusion. For example, she was in a quandary about whether to accept the job or not. Seamy side. Option C. Unpleasant and immoral part. For example, every city has its seamy side, full of crime and corruption. Bite the bullet. Option D. Face a painful or difficult situation bravely. For example, he finally bit the bullet and got the surgery done. Throw in the towel. Option B. Give up or surrender. For example, the team threw in the towel after losing the first 3 matches. Face the music. Option A. Accept the consequences. For example, they will have to face the music for their wrong decisions. At the drop of a hat. Option C. Without any hesitation or delay. For example, he leaves his job at the drop of a hat if something better comes along. The ball is in your court. Option D. Have control over the situation. The manager reminded him that the ball is in his court. Back to square one. Option B. Start again from the beginning. For example, their plan didn't work, putting them back to square one. Every cloud has a silver lining. Option C. Every misfortune has some positive aspect. For example, losing that job was hard, but every cloud has a silver lining. I found a better one. Snake in the grass. Option A deceitful or treacherous person. For example, she realized her colleague was a snake in the grass. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Option B. Exaggerate a small problem. For example, teachers advise the students not to make a mountain out of a molehill. Kith and kin. Option D. Family and relatives. For example, during festivals, people like to meet their kith and kin. Have a finger in every pie. Option C. Be involved in many activities or businesses. For example, she has a finger in every pie, from marketing to finance. Leave high and dry. Option B. Abandon someone in a difficult situation. For example, the company left its employees high and dry after closing suddenly. Keep a level head. Option A. Stay calm and sensible. For example, she kept a level head despite the chaos around her. Part and parcel. Option D. An essential or integral part. For example, facing challenges is part and parcel of growing up. Go for the jugular. Option C. Attack the weakest point aggressively. For example, she knew how to go for the jugular when defending her ideas. A close-fisted man. Option B. Stingy or unwilling to spend money. For example, they avoided asking a close-fisted man for financial help. As drab as a brush. Option D. Dull, plain, or uninteresting. For example, the town looked as drab as a brush on a rainy day. Make a beeline. Option A. Go straight towards someone. For example, the kids made a beeline for the ice cream stall. Rise with the lark. Option C. Wake up very early in the morning. For example, farmers often rise with the lark to start their work. Wild goose chase. Option B. A hopeless or futile pursuit. For example, searching for that old book in every store was a wild goose chase.